A strong and stable internet connection isn't just about speed, it's also about using the right cable, especially for outdoor setups.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to choosing the best outdoor Ethernet cable for your network.
When your cables are exposed to the elements, rain, sunlight, or even underground moisture, the wrong type can lead to disconnections, corrosion, and costly replacements. That's why choosing the right weatherproof Ethernet cable is key to long-term performance. So, what makes an outdoor Ethernet cable different? Outdoor-rated cables are built with durable jackets that resist water, UV rays, and temperature changes. They're designed to keep your data running smoothly no matter the weather. Let's explore a few key features to look for. First, weather resistance. Choose cables that can handle extreme conditions, like Cat 6 outdoor rated or direct burial Cat 5, perfect for installations in open or buried areas. Next, shielding. This reduces interference from nearby electrical sources. If you're working around power lines or devices, go for Cat 6A dual riser or plenum cables for cleaner, faster signals. Durability also matters. Cables like CMX Outdoor or Cat 6 Underground are built to withstand pressure, bending, and rough handling, ideal for permanent setups. And don't forget flexibility. For around the house or small office installs, Cat 5e outdoor cables are easy to route and still deliver reliable speeds. Now, how do you choose the right cable for your setup? It depends on distance, weather, and environment. For underground installations, go with direct burial Cat 5 or Cat 6. These are sealed against soil and moisture, keeping your connection stable for years. For above-ground runs, Cat 6 outdoor rated cables give higher performance and great protection against sunlight and heat. If you need both fire safety and outdoor durability, Cat 6A Ethernet dual riser or plenum cables are your best bet, perfect for mixed indoor-outdoor systems. But even the best cable won't last without proper installation. Always use protective conduits for above-ground runs. Seal every connection to keep moisture out, and double-check compatibility with your routers and switches. So why does all this matter? Because investing in weatherproof cables saves you time, money, and endless frustration. You'll get a reliable, fast, and stable connection that stands strong through rain, heat, and cold. In short, if you want your network to perform like a pro, even outdoors, choose smart, choose strong, choose the right outdoor Ethernet cable.